not used in plane mirrors are not used in option periscope distant mirror
What are three types of light?
Three types of light. There are two types of light: artificial and natural. We see moon without. We see moon without. We see moon because the sun has light that fall on the moon.
light travel in a
Light travels in a straight line.
we can see only those objects which lie in the path of light due to
What second?
the option is reflection of light, rectilinear propagation of light, conversion of light, and none of this.
Question say again.
We can see only those objects which lie in the path of light due to reflection of light.
What is the
Second, what is the optical medium and its type?
There are three types of optical medium: transparent medium, translucent medium, and opaque medium. Transparent, translucent, and opaque.
Which among the following is an artificial source of light?
Option. Option.
Star, moonlight, sun, firefly.
Tube light.
What are natural source of light?
Sun. Sir, sun.
How many sources of light?
There is two. There are two types of light: natural and artificial. Natural and artificial.
Homogeneous and heterogeneous media. Differences between homogeneous and heterogeneous media.
I doesn't mean the question.
What is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous medium? Homogeneous, heterogeneous. No revision. Next question.
We see moon because the light of the sun fall on the moon.
What are luminous and non-luminous objects?
The luminous objects are that have its own light, and non-luminous are that does not have its own light.
Optical medium means a medium in which light to pass through it.
Transparent.
What is transparent medium?
A medium that allows all light to pass through it is called the transparent medium.
Why can we not see lighted candle in a bent pipe?
Because the light travels in straight line.
What is the main source of light?
The main source of light is sun.
Solar eclipse occur on Earth. New moon day, half moon day, full moon day, first whiter moon day.
Give option again.
New moon day,
आन्सर कोणाला येते इकडं?
full moon day,
सांग, तू सांग बेटा.
Monday.
हां,
New Monday.
न्यू मून डे. कधी होते सोलार इक्लिप्स? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Give the example of translucent object.
गिव द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ट्रान्सलुसंट ऑब्जेक्ट.
Oil paper. Butter paper.
बटर पेपर, ऑइल पेपर.
What is the natural source of light?
The natural source of light is sun.
Lunar eclipse always occurs on.
Lunar eclipse occurs on a full moon day.
Define penumbra.
डिफाइन पेनुम्ब्रा.
A shadow that not have its darkness is called the
आन्सर कोण सांगू शकते? आन्सर पेनुम्ब्राचं नाही, उद्याला. बरं, क्वेश्चन.
We see moon bases. We see moon bases. Moon bases. We see moon bases. Bases. We see moon bases.
वी सी मीन बिकॉज ऑफ. कशामुळे बघू शकतो? वेल राईट.
Sir, we see
वी सी मून बिकॉज.
sir, we see moon. We see moon because the light of the sun fall on the moon.
Give man-made source. Give example man-made source of light.
The example of man-made source.
Chair, pen,
मॅन मेड सोर्स ऑफ लाईट. लाईट थोडी देते.
lights, tube light and torch.
What is the opaque medium?
बट जो पॅक मीडियम.
The medium that cannot allow the light pass through it is called the opaque medium.
What is the biggest source of light?
What is the biggest source of light?
In which eclipse Earth comes between sun and moon?
In which eclipse Earth come in between moon and sun?
It is called the
What is meant by natural source?
natural source of light is the light that has moonlight.
Shadow are found because
Light,
Shadow form when an object comes between the path of light.
in a pinhole camera, what kind of substance is used for a screen?
In a pinhole camera, what kind of substance are used for screen?
Glass.
First answer, transparent, opaque, translucent, or A, B, C option.
Transparent.
What is a luminous object?
The object that have their own light is called the luminous object.
What is eclipse? What is eclipse?
What is eclipse?
When the object goes between the source of light and the shadow of object fall on the other object is called the